Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy drink. Guys, this is something different, okay? I'm going to make pineapple, apple and orange with cloves and ginger drink. Okay guys, I already prepped my apple. I peeled the skin off, and also whenever you bring the whole pineapple, you make sure you wash the pineapple. I normally wash my pineapple with apple cider vinegar, so you could do that as well. And scrub it, take out all the dirt from the in between the pineapple. Okay guys, so that's what I'm going to be making. Very nice. It's a very nice drink. It's very delicious. So I'm going to boil it. I have my water boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all the peeled ingredients here. I have the apple, ginger and cloves to put into the water. It's very delicious drink. I'm just going to go ahead and just shred this ginger. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the pineapple and orange inside there and let it boil for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to let it cool, and then I strained it, and it can add a bit of lime juice to the drink, okay, after when it's cooled. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay, so I just grated this ginger. It's a very delicious drink. So I'm going to add the pineapple peel to the water as well. And I'm going to slice up the orange. I already washed the orange as well. And then, okay guys, and let it boil for 15 minutes. Okay guys, I'm going to let it boil for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to let it cool down and blend everything together and then strain it. Okay guys. Okay guys, so the pineapple peel and orange and apple mixture is finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be blending it on my blender here. So I'm just gonna do extract. That's what I'll be doing. And then I will strain. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain. This is what the mixture looks like. So let's strain. Takes a little bit of time, but you have a really nutritious drink. Have all the nourishment that your body needs. You see how beautiful that color looks? Don't worry, this is the old-fashioned way. We do home when you don't have a juicer. You just squeeze it inside there. I have a juicer, but I just want to do it this way. It's quicker for me. Okay, guys, you see, this is what I'm talking about. Nice drink. So good. So good for you. So, okay, guys, this is the way how you do it to make your drink. You don't have to make your fruit go to waste. You can use all parts of your fruit to make a lovely drink. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy. Take care. Have a good one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.